Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, Assalamualaikum. Amirul is here, and today video is about I'm installing a green screen on my wall back there. I bought it from Shopee with the lowest price as much as I could find it. I think it's around 20 to 23 ringgit. The cheapest one, I think. I don't know about the quality right now, so I'm about to unpackage this thing. Okay, so let's do it. Yeah. So this is it, the green screen. I don't know how big is it, but right now I will try to open this thing. Let's do it. Hi guys, welcome back. And today, as you can see right now, this thing is quite big. You can look in front of you. This is the size of the green screen that I bought, and the quality of this thing is also, as you can see over here, it is not thick. Rather, the surface is quite rough. As you can look at the camera, the surface is like a scale. The thickness is not that thick, but I think it is suffice because I only bought it for around 20 ringgit, which means it is cheap for price and the quality is not that bad. Okay, as for now, I will install this thing on that wall. I will put it up between there and there, maybe according to the size of this canvas green screen, and let's get into it. Well, Alhamdulillah, guys, look at my bag. We have successfully installed the green screen on my wall. And look at that, such a beautiful background, isn't it? But as you can see over here, okay, I only use tape, duct tape. This is good enough, I think, for now. Alhamdulillah, that's it guys. So if you like this kind of video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this, inshallah. This is the thing that I had bought from Shopee, and the green screen that I bought is from Crazy Mall UEB.my, and it cost me 20 ringgit 50 cents because I used a coupon, if I am not mistaken. Original price before having the discount is 27 ringgit, and after discount I got 21 ringgit and 50 cents, but I include the coupon, as you can see, and the free shipping coupon also. And so for your information, I'm not sponsored, but I'm just telling you because I'm quite satisfied with the item given to me. That's why if you want to buy the same green screen as like me, you can go visit Shopee Crazy Mall UEB. Right,